In this driving lesson video, I'm going to give you 5 tips to help you move off properly and efficiently from the side of the road and from a parking bay. If you want to increase your skills in relation to driving, whether you're a learner, someone preparing for a test, or already an experienced driver looking to brush up, then please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification where you will be notified whenever I upload a new driving lesson video. So tip number 1 is about remembering this rule here, which is called the 1, 2, 3 rule. 1 because you've got 1 gear stick, 2 because you've 2 indicators, and 3 because you've got 3 mirrors and a blind spot when moving off. So as I was saying, 1, 2, 3 is nice and easy to remember. 1 because you've got 1 gear stick, 2 because you got 2 indicators, and 3 because you got 3 mirrors, the blind spot, and then I get the bite and go. And that's how we move off from the side of the road. Tip number 2 is to make sure that you get a proper blind spot, and I'll show you what I mean by that right now. Now when I say a proper blind spot, I do not mean doing this. That was just a sideway glance to the right. I'll probably see the footpath and the grass and the wall over there, but what I will not see is what you're about to see now when the camera pans to the right. I will not see that silver car there unless I get a proper blind spot. And it's a silver car there, but it could be a child or a pedestrian or a cyclist on another day. So as I'm moving off, the most important step is this, that I check all 3 mirrors, like there, the middle one, the right one, and a proper blind spot like that. So my shoulder here is coming over like that, and I have a great view of the car and everything around the car. So you must get a proper blind spot to increase your observation when moving off. Tip number 3 is about getting a bite to assist you when moving off. Here's what I mean. Another very useful tip moving off is that you should get a bite while doing so. The bite will help avoid rollback, but even if it's not a hill, it will actually make you move off a little bit quicker and a little bit more efficiently. So I've covered the bite before in hill starts and in other videos. So it's basically this: you go into first gear as part of your moving off, you'll be getting a little bit of juice, a little bit of acceleration up, and then you bring the clutch up quick but not too quick until you feel the car connecting, and you'll feel a slight rise, a slight lift on the front of the car, and you'll probably hear the noise going down as well. So here it is now. There. I'll just relax it, I'll get it again. So a little bit of juice, bring the clutch up now. There, so if you can hear the noise has gone down, and you've probably seen the rise on the car there now. I'm just going to bring it back there now and go to neutral. So that bite is a great and important step moving off because it helps the car move off quicker, and it ensures you won't roll back, and it leads to a smoother, better takeoff in general. Tip number 4 is about getting some extra mirror checks as you begin to pull away from the side of the road. Here's what I'm talking about now. So the next tip then about moving off is the importance of checking the mirrors even after you've checked your blind spot and as you're in your first 2 to 3 seconds of pulling off. So as you're pulling off, you should still keep an eye on the right side mirror as you pull away, just in case something has happened behind you, like a cyclist has come or a car has suddenly come from around the blind bend behind you or whatever. I'll show you what I mean now, and I'll do the 1, 2, 3, and you'll see me doing the extra mirror checks. So 1 is first gear, 2 is indicator, 3 is all 3 mirrors, proper blind spot, hit the bite down and go. And now I'm just keeping an eye on my side mirror here, on the middle mirror as well, side mirror again. So I'm just double checking there as I pulled away that everything was okay and that nothing unexpected had come from behind me as I was pulling off. Tip number 5 is about moving off from a parking space within a bay where you could have open space on both sides. So this is me earlier on today moving off from such a space. In this situation I'm parked in a bay, so I'm not parked beside a curb on the left hand side. So whenever you're moving off from a bay parking, like from a car park in a supermarket or whatever, it's important to give a full 360 degree look around to check for everything, because there's open space on all sides here. So I'll do it now. I'll go into first gear, I'll actually indicate left because I'm planning on going left anyway. Now I'll give a full look around like this, out the back window, the sides, out the front, over the blind spot as well, and again the way back. And I've done a full 360-degree look down there, and out I go then, just making sure there's no traffic coming here. And that's what I would do there. So because there was open space on all sides there, I was anxious there to give a full 360-degree look around, just in case anybody was coming up from behind my right shoulder or left shoulder, or from directly behind the car. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more great driving lesson videos just like this. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.